In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Banco GNB Peru online banking. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Banco GNB Peru online banking page. Make sure you're on the official site before entering any account information. This is an important habit anytime you access online banking, since it helps protect your personal and financial details. Once the page loads, look for the option to access online banking. Select that area to begin the sign-in process. You should now see the login form where you can enter your credentials. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all fields and options are visible. In the user field, type in your username or user ID exactly as it was provided when you registered for online banking. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, or any numbers included in your login details, since even a small mistake can prevent access. Next, enter your token key in the appropriate field. This token key is typically used as an extra layer of security, helping confirm your identity when you sign in. If you use a physical token device or a digital token through another service, make sure the code is current before entering it, since these codes may expire after a short time. After entering your user information and token key, click on Continue. This will move you forward in the login process and take you to the next stage of account access. If the information was entered correctly, you should be able to proceed without any issues. If you do not have your token available, the page may also give you the option to access your account without a token, using password-only access. If you choose this method, carefully follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you are using the correct password associated with your account. You may also see an option for linking your token to online banking. This is useful if your token has not yet been connected to your online banking profile, or if you need to complete that setup before using token-based login in the future. Simply select that option and follow the instructions provided on the page. And if you can't remember your password, don't worry. Just click the option that says you forgot your password. This will start the password recovery process so you can regain access to your account securely. That's all you need to know to log into Banco GNB Peru online banking. Follow each screen carefully, double check your information before submitting it, and always log in from the official website for the safest experience.